Breathe in. Breathe out. And relax, knowing you can take your entertainment with you wherever you go with the new Lenovo Yoga Tab 13 tablet. What's up, guys? I'm Devin Howard, bringing you another episode of Unbox This. Today, we are downward dogging into the Lenovo Yoga Tab 13 tablet. This is the ultimate at-home entertainment tablet that'll bring you the relaxation you want from a large, high-resolution LCD screen. Like a yogi master, the Lenovo Yoga Tab 13 can bend and hang in different positions, giving you on-the-go access to your favorite movies, shows, and games. The 2K picture quality and JBL Dolby Atmos speakers give you images and sound that are impressive for a tablet this size. Let's give these fingers a nice yoga stretch because we have to unbox this. Ooh, wow. Wow, look at this screen. This is a very big tablet screen, and this stand, I can tell that this would really come in handy. Here we have an HDMI to micro HDMI cord. Here we have a USB-C adapter to plug in your headphones. Here's the safety, warranty, and quick start guide. Fascinating material, truly, truly riveting. Here we have a USB Type-C cord. This is the AC adapter. Let's peel this off. Okay, I am going to take our tablet from the downward dog position and move it into the right side up mountain pose. It's doing yoga. So unlike most tablets I've seen, the Yoga Tab 13 comes with this stainless steel kickstand so you can easily prop up your tablet for a relaxing viewing experience. This is very thin, super lightweight, and really portable. It'd be easy to take this on a flight with you, or you could watch something if you're a passenger on a long car ride. I can also see this being really useful for virtual meetings. All you have to do is prop the tablet right up like this, and you're ready to go. With 2K picture quality through Dolby Vision, you'll get clear, high-quality images no matter what you're watching. You'll also get to enjoy the full sRGB color palette. On top of that, the tablet cuts out harmful levels of blue light so your eyes can stay protected. With those crystal clear images, you'll also get full, rich audio thanks to JBL quad speakers that come complete with Dolby Atmos. If you want to use your tablet to pop into your favorite game, you can now play the most graphically demanding games without losing any quality or responsiveness thanks to the Yoga Tab 13's mobile platform that was designed to handle heavy-duty gaming. You can also take advantage of low latency on the latest AAA titles with cloud gaming. You guys, I'm going to turn on the Yoga Tab 13 so we can see what this screen looks like when it's powered on. Okay, we have the Yoga Tab 13 all powered on, and this screen is very impressive. It's just so large. It would be really comfortable to watch a movie on it, or if you do want to game on it, it would be really easy. With entertainment space, the Yoga Tab 13 puts all of your favorite entertainment apps into one little hub. I'm gonna show you that right here. So you see they have Netflix, you can have Google TV, Disney+, Paramount, whatever streaming services you subscribe to, you're gonna be able to access them in one easy place. Up here, you'll notice that you also can access your games, and if you like to read on your tablet, you can store books in the entertainment space as well. All of that is accessible with a one easy swipe. So clearly you can do a lot on the Lenovo Yoga Tab 13, and with all of that screen time, you're gonna wanna have a lot of battery life. Luckily, the Yoga Tab 13 can stay powered on for a long time and charges up quickly when it runs low on battery. Now here's what really stands out about the Yoga Tab 13. If you wanted to use this as part of a dual screen setup, you can. That micro HDMI port allows you to turn it into a second display for your laptop. How handy would this be if you're working from home, or even better, gaming? If you have a Nintendo Switch OLED, you can plug that into your Yoga Tab 13 and play your favorite games from a larger tablet screen. And then if you want to get creative and you have the Lenovo Precision Pen 2, you can sketch designs right onto your screen as well. The Yoga Tab 13 seems like a solid option for the person who likes to game, create, or watch shows and movies on the go. Its portable design makes it easy to take with you from place to place. This obviously will not be a replacement for your higher resolution TV screen or anything like that, but it definitely will give you the flexibility to do and watch what you want without being tied to your living room or home office. And don't worry, you guys, you do not have to bend over backwards to get your hands on one of these. Check the link in the description to buy one for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. Let me know what movie you'd like to watch on your Lenovo Yoga Tab 13. I'm Devin Howard, thanks for watching, and we just unboxed this. Bye guys!